This is the 1997 Honda StepWagon. It comes with 78,010 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine, and it is paired with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also a 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, a rear sliding door, and a rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So the number you're seeing up here, 124,547, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 78,010. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and start on the driver's side. We are at the passenger rear wheel. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Have a blessed and safe day.